how to add or remove the connectivity widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. Now, if you are missing the connectivity widget in the control center, here is how you can add it back. First, let's go back to your home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then tap on the add button. Once you are in edit mode, go down and tap on add a control. Next, we scroll down and in connectivity, tap on the connectivity widget and that will get added to your control center. And that's it. If you want to remove it, you can tap on the add button to go into edit mode, then tap on the remove button and you'll be able to remove the connectivity widget. Now by default, this widget has been already added to your control center, but if you have accidentally removed it, you can always bring it back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.